I go home after work. You come to the party. Hello everyone, my name is Spencer from Cake English. Today you will learn the present tense form of 4 common English action verbs. You'll also learn some common collocations. Are you ready? Good. With common verbs, the form of the verb doesn't change in the present tense when the subject is I, you, we, or they. Easy, right? That means the common verb go becomes I go, you go, we go, and they go. However, they change in the present tense when the subject is third person singular. In other words, it changes when the subject is he, she, or it. We add an S. However, sometimes we have to change the spelling of the verb a little. For instance, go is irregular. It becomes goes. He goes to the store. When the verb ends in a consonant and Y, we change the Y to I and add ES. She studies. When the verb ends in CH, SS, SH, X, or ZZ, we add ES. He washes the dishes. She watches the movie. Today, we will practice 4 action verbs. An action verb is something that describes an action that you do with your body. Today, we'll practice using go, come, get, and give. Go means to move from one place to another. Remember, go becomes goes with he, she, or it. A common collocation is go to a or the place. If it's a particular or special place, use the. If it's not, use a. For instance, go to the hospital. This means you are talking about a specific hospital. However, one common mistake is to use to with home. The correct collocation is go home. Another common collocation is go on. This means to continue. So if someone says, go on, they are telling you to continue talking. It's also used with some other nouns with a in front of it. The noun should be some activity that will take some time. For instance, go on a run, go on a hike, and go on a date. Let's practice. Fill in the blank with go. Make sure to use the correct collocation if there is one. They, them all. Good. They go to the mall. After class, she, home. Right. After class, she goes home. We, a hike on the mountain. Perfect. We go on a hike on the mountain. Come means to move toward or into a place. It also means to happen. Come becomes comes with he, she, or it. 3 common collocations are about time. Come on time, come early, and come late. This means to arrive at a place at the promised time or earlier or later than the promised time. Another collocation is come to a stop. This means something naturally slows down and stops. One more good collocation is come prepared. This means you prepared for something before going to a place. You can come prepared to class if you finish your homework and study. Let's practice. Fill in the blank with come. Make sure to use the correct collocation if there is one. They stop. Good. They come to a stop. You need to, when you, to work. Great. You need to come prepared when you come to work. He, time to the party. Right. He comes on time to the party. Get means to receive or obtain something. It becomes gets with he, she, or it. For instance, a common collocation is get a job. That means you found work and got hired. Another common collocation is get off. This is used with large vehicles like trains, airplanes, and buses. Get off the train means to leave the train. One more collocation you should know is get used to. If you get used to something, it means it was uncomfortable or awkward at first, but not anymore. Let's practice using get. Fill in the blanks. I, the bus. Great, I get off the bus. She, her new neighborhood. Right, she gets used to her new neighborhood. When we both, jobs, let's celebrate. Great, when we both get jobs, let's celebrate. Give is the opposite of get. It means you allow someone to have something. It becomes gives with he, she, or it. Some collocations are useful when talking about public speaking. Give a speech and give a presentation. This means you speak or present in front of others. Give someone a call means to contact them on the telephone. However, it's only used with phone calls, not text messages. Lastly, give someone a ride means to drive them to a place they need to go. Let's practice give. We, speech in front of an audience. We give a speech in front of an audience. Me, call when you get home. Good. Give me a call when you get home. He, her, to work every day. Perfect. He gives her a ride to work every day. Now you know how to use 4 common English action verbs in the present tense. Great work, and see you in the next one. If you are interested in learning English more easily, check out the classes feature on the Cake app. You'll see all the lectures, learn through real video clips, practice your speaking, and take quizzes step by step. It will help you improve your English in a fun and easy way. And I'll see you next time. Bye!